Such a beautiful day, guys.
Hi guys, we're gonna today see the capability of DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Mic Mini alone. So as you know, both of those devices are using Bluetooth for connection, for wireless connection, and I wanna test it. I didn't believe really because it's a Bluetooth, so I didn't really believe like in big effect. I was like, you know, this is gonna be good for like a short, I think, distances, but I was kind of surprised. So I will let you see this video because it's, I think, you know, spectacular. It is a wide angle right now. Well, it's more like a linear wide, so it's not like a super wide angle on my Action 5 Pro. As you see, mic is at the front, so you know I'm kind of also with my whole body blocking the signal. So you're gonna see right now what kind of distance I am in and how it actually performs. You really can go far away, and this is working, guys. Okay, then we are checking the distance capabilities of the DJI Action 5 Pro. I have a backpack with the camera's equipment. Oh, let me check it. Is it rolling? Yeah, it's rolling. Mic is connected. The green line is working. Fine. Yeah, mic is here without the muffler. Let's test it. Oh my god, I don't even know how far I am. And the thing is that DJI is gonna show you, it's gonna show a little bit in a weird way because probably I am kind of close, but because the angle is so wide, it's gonna give you the, I think, false idea how far I am. But overall, if this is, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 20 meters, I can say that right now this is something that I will use this mic for myself. This is the maximum range it's usable. I think I will not leave the camera further away because it's nonsense, it's just too wide, no purpose. Probably you see everything over here and I am in the middle, very small. So that's freaking awesome already. But let's do the test. Let's do like a longer walk. I have a few people watching from the distance. What kind of idiot is standing in the middle and talking to himself? This is advantage of having fun recording like a vlogs, guys, because you know how it is. It's just so weird. It's just so weird where you're talking like kind of to yourself. You know you are recording the video, right? You know the thing, but people are like, hey, what the heck is going on with this dude? So I am far away, but I am kind of sure that DJI is working. So now this is the mic is at the front, but when I'm, you know, turning this direction, as you can hear right now, we are losing the range, but only because I'm turned back. Right now I'm turned right and I'm going toward the river, but I think, yeah, this is the limit. This is the limit, and I think it's fantastic. The range is way above this what I expected. So it's far enough for me, at least. I hope that we have the audio. But yeah, morning is phenomenal. I didn't tell you that I have like I get sick, so I don't know what I have, but like I can say that I have a, maybe not flu but cold. Oh my god, it was horrible. My eyes are just fully like you know, wet all the time. And yeah, overall I feel fantastic, so it's not a problem. I'm still walking, but I just feel a little bit cold. Like you saw, some people are walking just in the t-shirts like this girl before, and I have like a sweater, we call it polar, thin jacket. But yeah, how is the audio? Is it good? Did you hear me all the time? I hope so. If yes, well, fantastic DJI, you did phenomenal job. Is it rolling? What is like battery is over, right? That would be crazy, and you're doing stuff, you're making idiot of yourself, and yeah, battery stop working, and this will be like so pathetic. But it's not, it's rolling, we are here. So yeah guys, this is the microphone from the DJI connected with the camera from the DJI, and I think you could hear me all the time. So yeah, this is the range test. I can go further. Do I need this? No. Do you gonna need this? Hell no. So usable range, I reached the usable range for sure, and I think for me even more than this. But maybe if you're gonna play something like you wanna play football or something, but yeah, but that is gonna be crazy. But yeah, overall I think for more of us it's more than enough. Weather is perfect. Let's disconnect it and use the microphone, internal microphone from DJI Action 5 Pro, because I think it sounds much more natural. The environment, I think at least, is better straight out of from the camera than from the microphone. From the microphone it's more like a shotgun mic. It's much more precise. It's good if you need this, you like focus, you know, on the voice, but overall when I'm walking, doing some stuff, I prefer this straight voice from the Action 5 Pro, because it's giving you this phenomenal vibe, really, of the environment, of the surrounding that we are. So yeah, like and subscribe guys, stay with me, links down below if you want to support me, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.